Hi my babies, I want to share with you today my personal top 5 summer must-have. Well, it was really hard because you gave me this recommendation on Facebook when I asked what should I film. Someone of you said like top 5 summer must. I couldn't narrow down to 5. I have 6. So number 1, lip mask that I am gonna be launching very soon. I just approved this formula. I've been testing in a while. I don't know how I'm gonna name, but I'm probably gonna name Hydrating Manuka lip balm or something like that. It's incredible. This came straight away from my lab where I'm doing. I changed my lab. Right now I'm gonna be producing all my products in the lab where I can't tell you that because this is confidentiality agreement, but a lot of very well-known skincare brands actually make their products in that lab. It's gigantic lab. Anyway, number one was this. Stay tuned, subscribe to newsletter, go to my website, subscribe to newsletter, and make sure you subscribe to newsletter to make sure when this is gonna get launched. This is gonna get launched. Always my VP clients, those who are subscribed to newsletter, they get notifications and wherever is launching first. So make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. And now I'm not using cleanser in the morning. You know, guys, I haven't used any kind of cleanser in the morning for the last 4 years. But this is new amazing cleanser that I discovered is from True Botanicals. Botanicals is all organic, natural, smells like herbs. I just love it, but I'm using this only at night. So this is number 2. Number 3, Hydrating Rose Water Spray. Like literally, summer is hot. It's gonna be very hot here in Miami. It is already hot. So anywhere I go, I have this. Sustainable packaging, glass packaging. This is my brand, Rose Water Spray. Hydrates, moisturize, and what is the most important thing is also not only cooling your face, but anytime you apply any skincare products like creams, serums, you want to moisturize with any kind of like hydrating spray. Not every spray is a hydrating spray, so you want to make sure that you have a hydrating spray. My favorite, of course, is my brand, Ginamber Beauty Hydrating Water Spray, Hydrating Rose Water Spray. Why my tongue is kind of, it's not working well today. So I actually can do this also on the hair. I love it. Then my hair smells really great. You can do this totally day, night, middle of the week, middle of the day, in the middle of the night. Cream, hydrating. This is incredible. Paraben free, fragrance free. La Roche Posay Lipikar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. I actually do use this together on my hands and on my face, and you need very little to have the moisture. You're gonna think, oh, in summer getting oily skin, I don't need moisture. Yes, girl, doesn't matter if it's oily or not oily, you need that moisture on your skin. Summer, winter, morning, night, all the time, absolutely all the time. Some of you guys have oily skin and you have dehydrated skin. Yeah, I know some of you. I know sometimes you send me private messages on Instagram, sending me pictures. I'm like, I see the oiliness, but I don't see the firmness. I know your skin is lacking the hydration, and the rest you see goes on my hands. Oh my god, this is really incredible moisturizer. If you're someone that needs a lot of hydration, this is great for dry to normal skin. If you have oily skin, check out my, I don't have it with me right now, Ginamber Beauty Vitamin C Repair Cream. That one is really great for oily skin. All right, then we're jumping into sunscreen right now, as today. I'm announcing right now, literally right now, in May, I am launching my own sunscreen. So I have tested many formulas. We're almost done with the main basic formula with FDA approval. You know, guys, sunscreen is considered a drug and needs FDA approval. And that's been going on for a really long time. I never told, I never mentioned, but I am so happy. I wanna show you just one of the types of the formulas that we have. It's not finalized, we're still working in the lab, but here we go. We're gonna have a tinted SPF. Yes, me launching Ginamber Beauty SPF, which I never thought I'm gonna do it, but I have it, that tinted SPF. is hydrating. The first sample that they made, I didn't like the smell. The second sample that they made, my lab, my chemist Ricardo, I didn't like that. It was a little bit drying. I was thinking, you know, if someone has an oily skin, it's gonna be great. If someone gonna have like dry skin, it's not gonna be okay. This one, it's hydrating, and guys, it's natural. It's natural sunscreen. Yes, yes, yes. I am gonna be the only one that I'm gonna be creating natural sunscreen with no chemicals. Can you believe it? Basically, in this lab where I'm making my creams right now, where I'm making everything, the most natural, the most organic skincare brands make their products over there. I can't tell because they're gonna shoot me and put me in jail, but it is, trust me, very, very big and very well known natural or organic skincare brands produce their products over there. So there is no day that I wouldn't leave my house without mascara, and my favorite mascara is from Tarte. This is Maneater. English is my fourth language, so read it on your own. I can't pronounce that, I'm sorry. So, and I can't show the tube because it's full of all the codes and stuff like this of the sunscreen. Look at the skin hydration. Girl, you wanna date me? I mean, I don't know why I said girl wanna date me, I have no clue. I think I need to buy a new one. Kind of getting cloudy. That's not a nice thing to do on the video for you guys, but I am being so real. Look at this. Hello. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So these two new products, lip mask is gonna be launching way sooner than this one. This is FDA approval stuff, so it needs some time, needs more testing, and needs more time. So excited. I just can't believe I'm launching sunscreen. I can't believe, guys, I had this dream for like literally years and years and years. I had a dream to launch a sunscreen even before I started my business, before I even had an idea that I'm gonna have a business. It takes a lot of time, costs a lot of money, a lot of FDA restrictions and approvals and paperwork and time and back and forth, FDA, my manufacturer and me, and just like, it takes a lot of heck time launch sunscreen. It's not like, you know, you go and launch rose water spray, which is very easy. I mean, to me, because I've been in skincare business right now for 5 years almost, but the sunscreen is a heck of a work, trust me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Send you a lot of beautiful energy. Stay gorgeous, stay beautiful, stay natural, and stay authentic to yourself. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the red button, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!